Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Instagram Threads. First, you need to go to the Thread app in order to use it. Here, you will see different threads posted by people on the home page. By tapping on this heart icon, you can like a thread. And by tapping on replies, you can see the comments and replies on that thread. This double arrow icon is used to repost a thread. The single arrow right next to it is used to share a thread on various platforms. Now go back and open the search bar. Here you can search your friends or the people you want to follow. You can also follow the public figures given in suggestions. After that, tap on icon right next to the search icon. Here you can type your thread. Right next to it, there is activity, where you can see your recent activity, replies, mentions, and verified. After that, there is a profile where you can see your profile and can also edit or share it. So this is how you can use Instagram Threads. Thank you for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.